What's up, you guys? John's Moto Garage. Welcome back to the channel. We're on the roof. I'm getting into parkour on the side. This is like wicked sketch. I'm gonna try to jump over the DRZ and land on the grass, or I could run up and over around that way and jump off the roof. I don't know which one to do. I'm thinking about getting out of motorcycles and just going into parkour because this stuff is wicked fun. So let's see what the best option is here. I'm trying to find a good angle, because if I'm gonna do this and kill myself, I gotta at least get a good angle on it, you know what I mean? All right, abort mission, abort mission. I'm gonna get a second filmer because it's not gonna do this thing justice if I do it. That was a much easier way to get down. All right, you guys, John's Moto Garage, as promised, we're gonna do the gap off the roof or the bike. This is so I can get an idea of my trajectory.
You're not doing a flip, are you?
Touching my phone.
That's broken.
I got my angle, but I don't like.
Why do you have to do this? Do you have to do this? Yikes. Yikes. Yikes.
All right, you guys, we did it. We got down onto the ground. That was the smartest and probably the only way we could have pulled it out. So, smash the like button, subscribe. We'll hit you guys up on the next one. Adios.